If you don't like feeling broke but still want to have fun, then you need to get a budget. Let's do it together. Alright, step 1, know your total income. Whether you've got a steady paycheck or irregular earnings, calculate your average monthly income. Simple, right? Now step 2, track your spending. Review your bank statements and receipts to understand where your money's going. It might be eye-opening. Next, step 3, categorize your expenses. Split them into essentials like rent and utilities and non-essentials like dining out and entertainment. Step 4, set realistic spending limits for each category. Make sure your expenses don't exceed your income. You don't want to end up in the red. Step 5, prioritize savings. Set aside money for your financial goals, like an emergency fund or that dream vacation. Future you will thank you. And finally, step 6, use budgeting tools or apps to make tracking easier. Technology can be your best friend in staying on top of your finances. By following these steps, you can create a budget that works for your life. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.